Hi, good morning. I'm Zoe. Today in this lesson, I'm focusing on rotation, 90 degrees rotation, clockwise this way, or 90 degrees counterclockwise. As you know, the rotation is a special uh, kind of transformation. Yes. Uh, Rotation 90 degree of this shape, the triangle A, B, C. A's values is 2, 1, B is 5, 2, and C is 4, 4. Here. We want to rotate this one actually 90 degree over origin, 0, 0. Here. It means that this point 90 degree rotate, and this point too, and this point too. So when you want to rotate this 3 points 90 degree clockwise, this is the formula. If the coordinate values is x and y, it gets y gets here instead for x, and they shifted, but the the new y gets negative. Okay, it means that 2, 1 gets 1 and negative 2, right? For example, 1 and negative 2, this is a prime, because this is 2, 1, this is 1 and negative 2. Okay, gets 1 negative 2, right? So a 2, 1 gets 1 negative 2, a prime. B is 5, 2, right? It becomes B prime at 2, negative 5. Okay, 2, negative 5 is here, roughly. Okay, B prime is 2, negative 5. How about C? C is 4, 4 becomes C prime 4 shifted negative 4. Okay, get 4 negative 4 is somewhere here. Yes, C prime is 4 negative 4. If you connect these points is this. Actually, this shape 90 degree rotate. Okay, 90 degree, everything rotates here 90 degrees. It means that if this is this one, the new point must be like this one. Yeah, this is A, this is A prime. About the B prime and C prime, it holds too. Okay, this is about the 90 degree. 90 degree clockwise, you should do this. Exchange this one, x and y, and x is negative. But how about if you want to rotate to other side? Okay, how much is going to be? Other side, I mean to counterclockwise. Counterclockwise, here is, if we have this 90 degree counterclockwise, is if, for example, A is x and y, it goes, the point is x and y, it goes to y. This time, this gets negative. Y and x just exchange, and this time, y gets negative. Okay, how can we do this here? Apply here. For example, from here, if we rotate this 90 degree to this way, counterclockwise, it comes here, okay? If we counterclockwise, you just rotate this one 90 degree, it comes back exactly to this one. But we can do this from here. 90 degree counterclockwise. Actually, this way is positive in trigonometry. Okay, what can we do here? This is A. A gets A prime, yes? So, when A is 2, 1, A prime gets 1 and 2, but this time this is negative. How about B prime? Actually, double prime, yes? Double prime is this one gets 5, 2 gets negative 2, 5. And C double prime gets this one change, this one negative 4, 4. Right? This time. Okay, how can we find this? Okay, this gets A double prime is negative 1, 2, negative 1, 2. This is A prime. B prime is negative 2, 5. This is 5, negative 2, 5. And C double prime is negative 4, 4 somewhere here. Okay. I need to C prime. And B double prime was negative 2, 5. This is B. Okay. We connect this to these 3 points. This triangle A double prime with negative 1, 2, B double prime, negative 2, 5, C double prime, negative 4 and 4. This new triangle is this triangle just 90 degree counterclockwise. Okay? It should be the same because it gets this one, 2, 1, gets negative 1, 2, negative 1, 2. Must be here. Okay? This one is 90 degree clockwise, 90 degree counterclockwise. Okay, just this one we can say if any point is X and Y, 90 degree clockwise gets P prime gets Y negative X, right? But this way, 90 degree counterclockwise is P with X and Y gets P prime or P double prime of negative Y X. The shifted, but this one is X, but this one is negative Y, right? Okay, this one a rotation. Rotation is kind of transformation. 90 degree to clockwise, 90 degree counterclockwise. We worked before, if you check the previous videos, we work about the translation. Translation is actually this move 2-dimension gliding like this one. As you know that both on this one, rotation, we preserve the length and the shapes. Okay, this kind of transformation, any shape you have, you just keep the size and length. In this one, rotation, and about reflection, we worked on it before. Reflection too preserves the length and the size. Rotation does this one, preserve this one and the size and the length. But we have another kind of transformation called dilation. In dilation, we change the size, okay? But next time I come back and make a video about the dilation. But this time was rotation. Hope you like this one. And this is your assignment. Just do this one. rotate 90 degree, and 90 degree again, it gets 180 degree. Yes? How much is gonna be? If you, this is your assignment, yes? Your assignment. Go and do this. This one, if we have, for example, P, Q, R, PQR, how much is gonna be PQR? This is a pre-image, this is image P prime, Q prime, and this one 180 degree. Clockwise or counterclockwise, it doesn't matter because this is the same things. This way or that way, this is same. How much is gonna be? Okay, just do this. The answer must be here. This is the hint, but you can just prove for yourself. The answer is this one. If any point, for example, P is X and Y, it gets P prime, any point of this gets negative X, negative Y. So just do this. This is your assignment. You can go this way, 290 degree, 180, or 290 degree this way. It should be the same thing. Okay? Hope you like this, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and share this kind of videos with your friends and the other students. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.